2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, 8 speakers, center armrest, rear window defroster, convertible, compass, CD player, security system, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.